Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is self-love. I need you to start loving on yourself, filling up your cup. This seems to be your card and then your energy. And Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is trying to hammer this in right now to you and your spirit. Fill your own cup, because a lovable, happy Gemini that's happy with themselves is happy with the world. Go with the flow. Know that you are enough. You're more than enough. You over succeed. Therefore, your community awaits you. Your gifts await you. Your gifts await you. Your blessings and manifestations, your breakthrough awaits you. So don't worry and stop worrying about everyone else. Right now, this moment, I need you to worry about yourself. Look in the mirror, compliment yourself. I am beautiful. I'm handsome. I'm strong. I bend, but I don't break. Now, and also, even though I bend, I stand upright and I continue confidently, and I'm ready for breakthrough. Love your body. Love every feature. Love that you can breathe. Love your strength, because you're stronger than you were yesterday, 6 months ago, and a year ago. And that's enough love that you need to be. That's a few things that you need to share with yourself to keep your confidence and your health going, because a happy Gemini is a powerful Gemini. I attend to my needs by listening to my heart. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me. Look at your success. Look what's good for you. Listen to your heart. Give yourself confidence. Don't worry about what you're lacking, because you lack nothing. You're just nitpicking. You're a sign that's so wise that you can nitpick at the weaknesses and overshadow your strengths. We're going to work on the weaknesses and become an all-powerful being, so don't worry about that. I respect my limits. I answer the requests of my body and soul. You understand, you're not missing out on anything. You are the show. You are the event. The world is waiting for you. Thus, I learned to love myself. Show the world how to love you and respect you by loving and respecting yourself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself, and I love you too.